So you've got a new punk rope and you want to learn how to shorten it and make it just the right size for your jumping. That's what we're going to show you in this video. This is Shana Brady and I'm Tim Half from Punk Rope, and Shana is holding a Green Day punk rope jump rope, which is extra long at this point in time, so 10 feet. And right out of the bag, and she's also got a scissors on the ground in front of her. And that is the only tool that you're going to need. So you just got your jump rope, you're excited, but maybe it's a touch too long. Now, of course, you're not going to order extra large if you're 5 feet. That would be kind of silly. But just imagine you got a rope that's a little bit too long. Shana's going to show you exactly the steps to take to shorten it. So she is going to figure out for herself what would be the correct length, and we're not going to go into too much detail with that right now, but she's going to go just under her shoulder, and then she's going to slide the rope through the opposite handle, and she's going to grasp the spot, and she's given us a nice little close-up, and there's a snap lock that you're going to be sliding down. She's going to grasp the spot where she wants to cut. Okay, now you could do this with a marker, you could do it with your fingers. Either way works. Just want to be careful. And then she's going to slide the inner casing down. So she already slid the outer casing down. She's going to slide the inner casing down to that mark that she's made. I know that was a little bit out of frame. Now it's in frame. Now it's really in frame. Awesome. Okay. Guys, this is less complicated than it looks. And she's going to trim.
Double check first.
There you go. There's the check. So you can see that if she were to cut there, the handles would be coming up just shy of her shoulder. There you go. Okay. So assuming that's a good spot for you, again, we're not going to get into too many of the specifics on sizing. That'll be in another video. But assuming that's a good spot, then she's going to reinsert the inner casing. Now you need a little finger strength. She's done a good job here. It's not usually a two-person job. She's done a great job. And you'll be able to tell because the inner casing will rest inside the outer casing, and none of it will be exposed. And there it is. Okay.
One more time.
One more time. Encore. Good. So now that's all set. You're ready to snip. Always good to be a little bit on the conservative side. You don't want to go too short, because if you go too short, you're stuck. But you go a little long, it's okay. You can always trim again. So there's the cut.
Leave some if you want.
Could leave some slack. Okay, snip. Make sure you recycle that piece. Slide that second handle back, and voila, there is your shortened punk rope jump rope. Now this is the standard rope, the Green Day, which is a 5mm. And then of course, yeah, you would jump with it a few times, make sure it feels right to you. If it felt too long, you would go back through the same process. If by chance you ordered either the beginner's luck rope, which is the 6mm, or the Beast heavy rope, which is a 10mm, these are the ropes we're carrying at the moment, the process is exactly the same. The only difference is that the snap lock itself is a touch larger. than the one Shana just showed you. So the 6mm is a little bit bigger, and the 10mm is a lot bigger. But other than that, so yeah, now Shana would have to unscrew the end cap. She's gonna do it. Why not? We want to show you what this looks like. Unscrew the end cap. Takes a few seconds. Boom. Then push through the rope. There you now see the 10mm snap lock. It's a bit of a monster, but it's actually just as easy to slide down and snap back into place. Well, I say that now, but it is pretty easy. So there you go, same process. And guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for purchasing a punk rope jump rope. Enjoy your jumping. If you like what you see, thanks for subscribing. And we invite you to visit our website at punkrope.com. And we'll see you next time.